Hi friends, you all peoples are again welcome in this series of introduction to the pharmaceutical industry. Up to the previous episode, we had seen the introductory part, that is different departments, sections involved in the manufacturing industry, material flow from inward to the outward, that is the raw material inward to the finished product outward. Then we had seen the different techniques in the granulation section, that is the initial part of that is initial step of the manufacturing activity. So while doing the manufacturing, to do the online documentation is very important in regulatory or in a manufacturing industry of the pharmaceutical product. To do the online documentation is a mandatory requirement of the regulatory agency. So how to do the documentation we will see in today's episode. So on which principle documentation is based we will see in today's episode. So what is the principle behind the documentation? That principle is ALCOA principle, that is ALCOA and CDCVA. This is the short form of that principle. Generally, where in pharmaceutical industry, this principle is known as the ALCOA principle. So, what is meant by the ALCOA? We will see in detail. So, ALCOA and CDCVA. This is the short form. Now we will see in detail. First, A means attributable. How to do the documentation? These all things describes how to do the documentation. First, A is a attributable. L means legible. C means contemporaneous. O means original. A means accurate. This is the ALCOA. Then next one is the CDCVA. C means complete. D means durable. Next, C is a corroborated. CDC. Now V means version base. And last A means accessible. So this is the short form and we have seen the long form. Now we will see the one by one the terminology of each word. So first is the A. A means attributable. While we are doing the manufacturing activity, online documentation we have to do means the person involved in the activity he has to do the online documentations, means which operation he is performing, at which date, at which time he had started the activity, and at which time he had stopped the activity. He has to do the documentation. This is the attributable documentation. Next one is the A. We had completed the A for attributable. Next one is a AL. L means legible. Legible means the documented activity, the documented means a written procedure, the written instruction, and the activity which is we had documented must be legible and clear to everybody for reading and understanding. That is the legible documentation. The next one is a C. C means contemporaneous. So what is meant by the contemporaneous? Contemporaneous represents the activity, the real-time documentation. We can say it is a real-time documentation. Means whenever you are starting the activity, you have to put the start time. Whenever there is a stoppage in activity, you have to write the stop time of that activity with the sign and date. This is the contemporaneous. This is the meaning of the contemporaneous. Then next one is the original. The data which is recorded, it must be the original. It should not be the copy of anything. If you are doing the copy, then it should be labeled clearly it is a copy of that original data. But preferably the data must be original. Then next one is a accurate. The data which you are recording, it must be the accurate. There should not be any type of error, and there must not be the any type of editing or modification in the data. The data must be the original. Then next one is the accurate. Accurate and exact data must be recorded on in a online procedure. That data must be accurate. There should not be any type of the error. The next one is the C for complete. Data which you are going to be record must be the complete data. There should not be any incompletion or recording while recording the data. Next one is a durable. The recorded data must be the durable. It should be the long lasting. Means whenever in future we require that data, that must be present. Means that data must be available. Means your data should be durable. Next one is a corroborated. The data which you are recording must have the witness. Means the data which you are recording, the activity you are doing must have the witness. Means second person checking or approval sign must be there. So witness must be there while you are recording any type of the data. That is the corroborated data. Next one is the version base. Your data must be recorded which must have the versions. Means first time recorded data must be as it is there. When any modification is there, then you have to record the separate data having the next version. Means the data which you had recorded at previously, there should not be any type of the changes or modification. You have to record in a separate manner having the versions. Means that your data should be the version base. And next one is the accessible. The recorded data must be easily available to each and every person who requires that data, and that data must be available within a given timeline. Means the data must be accessible. So these are the principle in which manner we have to do the documentation in the pharmaceutical industry. And this is the mandatory requirement of the regulatory agency to do the documentation in such manner. Whenever you are doing the documentation in this manner, in such a way, you will give the assurity of your product, that your product is safe and is most helpful, most useful to all the regulatory agencies who are going to be use your products. So you have to do and strictly follow this ALCOA CDCVA principle while doing the documentation in pharmaceutical industry. So this is the ALCOA CDCVA principle. Thank you.